Obila manyien ma pachoka ilude lagat otimo limbe ma apoya e tesende obila ma Embu West achiel kuom limbege mag nyerruok. Lagat otimo limbe e tesende obila mopogore opogore pachoka timo nonro e wi midhiero ma apisas mag obila kaloe ka nyaka sani ne osetimo limbe kendo neno midhiero mopogore ka osingo kedo ne obilago kaka gero kendo lero kuonde dak kod tesende mek obila. Jalup jatend obila no bende no osingo chako ayanga ute obila mane gedogi ochakore higa mar 2021 kokalo e omenda mag dongruok mar NGCDF.
Gone through the station and found out, and I've got the brief. I've been briefed on the security situations within Embu and its environs. And as part of my administration and what I'm doing on day to day is just to check on my officers, how they're behaving, how their morale, the crime and management of the county as such. Generally, the area is, and my officers are okay, and the issues that we are going to deal with it, I've got the brief, and the issues that needs my attention, I will deal with it. Otherwise, I want to ask the people of Embu, people of this place, to maintain peace, to maintain law and order, and we make our country better every day so that the socio-economic activities of this place can prosper.